How to ignore messages on Facebook Messenger. So if you want to ignore the messages, all you have to do is open up your Messenger application, and you need to know one thing, that ignore message option is not present right now. It is not given by the Messenger app, but you will have an alternative option. So choose the chat which you would like to ignore, and after choosing the chat, tap on the upper right corner, and here scroll down and you will find a restrict option. Tap on restrict and tap on restrict again, and that's it guys. That's how you ignore it. And if you want to unignore this person, then what you have to do is go to the upper left corner and then tap on settings, which is on the upper right corner. Scroll down and tap on privacy and safety, and from here you can choose your restricted accounts. Tap on restricted accounts and you can see the restricted accounts here. So that's it guys, that's how you ignore the messages in your Facebook Messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.